welcome to the Stone Crafting Workshop. Today I'm going to show you how you can make a really cool house sign out of a piece of stone like this. It's a flat boulder and you can get something like this in almost every garden centre and stone stockist, and it makes a really nice house sign. I've printed off the number. I printed off a couple of them in case I mess up the putting it on the stone, and now I'll show you the process of how I'm going to put that onto the stone and then how I'm going to carve it. Now there's just one final little job, which is to carve it out. Let's see how we get on. I hope you've enjoyed watching this and I hope it inspires you to have a go. Buy a bit of stone and get yourself a tungsten chisel and have a go. It is good fun. I've enjoyed doing it. It's been probably 30 years since I tried to do any letter cutting, so I reckon that's not too bad. And Thank you for watching.